Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix audio delay on a BandLab. Now, especially when you're recording and it's not properly synced. So what you first want to do is come here to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines, and you'll see a bunch of different options. And here, if you hover over tools, you'll see this option that says latency test. What I want you to do is start this test, and what it will do, it will correct the latency that is caused by your computer's hardware. Because basically BandLab relies, there you go, it's performing the test. Let me go ahead and stop that. You just do that and basically relies on your computer's hardware to get you the proper sync. So once it's done doing the latency test, it will recalibrate everything and you should not have audio delay issues after that, okay? And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.